Some people might be mauling online about the lack of animation in the opening and the fight scenes, but I thought it was pretty good. Sakamoto Days episode 1 blew me out the water. Now, I think that the opening song is kind of but pretty much like everything about episode 1 was just phenomenal. So it's just like a story of a guy that used to be the best assassin, you know, gangster guy ever. Retired because he met a girl and he was like, oh my god, she is the one. It's KOBENI. It's KOBENI from Chainsaw Man. He settles down and now a bunch of thugs are coming after him because he's a traitor. But the blonde guy, and he has like Esper powers, so okay, already there's like supernatural shit going on. He can like read people's minds and he can like, you know, basically do that. And he's on our side now. It looks like he's been given a job, but I'm gonna guess that even more people from that gang is still gonna come after us, even if we beat the shit out of everyone. Sakamoto is such a cool guy, man. He said nothing throughout the entire episode. There was like one scene when he was like kind of like monologuing maybe in his head. And basically it says like 800 yen plus overtime. But like, because he says nothing, he's just like aura farming the entire time as like a fat man. And he hasn't even transformed back to his skinny mode that we know he can clearly do based on the trailers, right? Let's begin today's reaction. Bro is working. The most unnecessary intro scene. Alright, sure, let's go. Wait. Versus what? Versus Sun Hee and Bacho. Alright, we got two characters coming in today. He was sick. He doesn't even have to think. He doesn't have to talk. He just think because, you know, he can read a mind. My favorite part was when he like, there's like a bullet coming, you know, and then he like spat like a gumball, and it's like it was slow motion and it shattered everything. And the fact that this convenience store turns into an actual armory. Kill what? No, honey, no. Oh. His glasses. Shit, okay. She's serious about this, huh? So if he goes back to that old life, divorce. But self-defense in order to not go back to the old life, I feel like that's valid. Dude. We're in Chinatown. Only 50 per day pork buns. Super tasty pork buns. Whoa, Sonhee? Oh no, the buns! Kill her. How dare she, bro? Only 50 are made per day. She just got in the way of delivering our pork buns to our kid. Kill her right now. You better pay for this. Dude, his glasses shattered again. His fucking glasses, bro. This thing, it shattered again. Never mind, she is not Sun Hee. I'm just racist. Mystery girl Lu Xiaotang. Bald. No. Oh, she can fight. Trash belongs in the trash. Bald. Yo, Sakamoto, get in there. Somebody? So fast. Woo, that was fast. She's definitely joining our party, right? 100% she's gonna join us. But yeah, where the hell did he get the tongs from? Out of just nowhere. Pretty cool. Yo, whose sign is that? Gang? Why'd he pick her up? They have no aim, huh? These dude with the gun. What the fuck is the point, bro? They're still in shooting distance, bro. What the hell? Alright. Dan Inc. That mushroom cut. CEO of Dan Inc. Bro has no cardio. He's getting tired and worn out. He's like, fuck you, watching, let her get away. Bro literally got tired. No! Oh. Bald? That's what. Okay, so that's Sonhee, the one he's talking to. Yeah, if you cut the head off fast enough, it's still gonna be like alive, kind of. It's like a chicken with its head cut off. I just thought that Sonhee was like a. Sonhee sounds like a Korean girl's name, you know? Just didn't expect to be this guy. Anyways. Bacho and Sonhee. Key. How does a key control all the black market? A single key? Metaphorically, it's a key? I don't know. It sounds like the key is just like a fucking door to open the black market? Nah, that sounds too simple. Lu Xiaotang. Sakamoto flying 280-pound man. I don't know, I'm just bringing a random number out of nowhere. Look at the parkour from Sakamoto, bro. Damn, he's so light. They died protecting the key. Bye, Papa. Their death will have meant nothing. Do you, okay, assuming that heaven and hell exist, do you think that your parents, mafia leaders, would go to heaven? I just I don't know. I just feel like they just wouldn't fit the criteria. But anyways. He's talking. Can you make it like the heavenly pork buns? But like, he has a soft spot for family. The terms of family was just mentioned. Maybe he wants to help her out. Also, if you can make pork buns, that's even better. Oh? Those pork buns better be good. It's coming. Oh! He got hit. He'll be fine. Like a sucker kick? That's why it's bad taste? Monkey! They're twins? Okay. The sketches from one of the siblings does look way worse than the other. The right side looks pretty detailed. The left side, what in the fuck? It looks like the drawings from that kid from the last episode. Remember that kid? The stupid ass kid that's coming by the store and bugging everyone else. What the hell is this design? That's not Mario, that's Nario.
有名にバカが目立っているということは殺し屋として恥ずべきことだ。仲間を殺されて怒っている。
Sakamoto's alive.
少女のように繊細だな。
何言ってんだてめえ。坂本さんを知らねえとは。
こういう時。
Sakamoto! What the hell was that? Oh, it just shows up out of nowhere. The roof?
だ、お前は。
Yeah, he's pretty sick, isn't he?
もうありだな。
Bro, still thinking about food. How is this man so epic? It's the shading, man. Because, like, you wouldn't think much of a blob like him, but, like, in this lighting, the shading art, it's just so epic.
ありだな。
Days.
あの男、なかなかのパワーじゃないか。なあ、馬長。出ただけだろ。あの野郎、ぶち殺され。
He did tank the punch, though. Impressive.
殺してやるが、どうだ。
No.
これはパパたちの形見よ。お前らな。
そう言ってお前の両親も無様に死んでいったっけな。
Taunting.
まっとう。品性のかけらもない連中。
You took the bait. Okay, good, good, good. You're too emotionally overwhelmed.
あの金庫のものね。それを守ってパパはこんな奴らに。
おいおい、邪魔するなよ。
He's so
せ
fast.
っかく両親に合わせて他人が決めることじゃない。
Bro's talking. Is he so mad that he's clenching fist right now? Blood? Is that what that is?
でして私を助けようとするね。
Or maybe it's just the catching of the blade, the kunai stuff.
でして私を助けようとするね。
Pork buns. Backstory time. Christmas backstory time. The Christmas day, but bro had blood.
それってつまりできるの。
Money.
仕事しないとプレゼント買えなかった。
いらないわよ。もういい。待ってくれない。
You're gonna jump off?
られない。バイバイ。
What? What the fuck? Okay, the mom is kind of insane. Bye bye. Like, you could have just walked away the other way. You decided to jump off?
バイバイ。
Okay. Oh. Well, isn't this romantic?
思ったより高かった。
No shit, how far did you think it was?
あなた今私が死んだら悲しいって思ったでしょ。
Yeah.
って思ったようにどんな人も。
You're trying to prove a point? That like, hey, see, I could have died there, right? You felt bad about it, right? Stop killing others. Other people also feel bad when you kill them, okay? There's other people that's waiting for the people that you kill. I see you, I see you.
約束して。
What an insane way to portray that lesson, though.
これは二人のルール。
No killing allowed.
あなたが今まで殺してきた分、受ける人生にするの。
Okay, so we'll just like almost kill them, huh? Instead of killing them, we'll just like beat them up until they're almost dead.
止まった。
How?
坂本さん。
How did the bleeding just stop like that, though? What the hell? What? Is this some superhuman shit where he just like forced his injury to go away?
はい、坂本さん。
生きがってんじゃねえ。
This is a Jackie Chan movie fight. Ooh. Damn.
マチョ、あれで行く。ああ、兄貴、あれだな。
Wait, wait, wait. Esper guy, you can read their minds too, right?
あれで行く。ああ、兄貴、 あれだな。鉄なる動き。地獄切り。
They got a special move technique name. Unfazed.
首筋つった。
はい、失敗です。
So nonchalantly.
不可避の斬撃。加えてあの巨漢。名の人形。あれでいく。
Yeah, bro.
あれだな。鉄なる動き。
Why would we let you say the entire fucking special move name? Sakamoto's like, fuck you. No. Take a pot to the head. Sakamoto! Sakamoto!
坂本さん、手の皮が。
His little brother blonde kid just showed up. Here's a little neck patch for your pulled muscle. Oh, here's a little panty. What the fuck?
坂本さん。
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you. Nice. Cool impact. Refrigerator smash. Bro, we got fucking special techniques too. I half expected, like when I saw the shadow here, I thought this is gonna be Sakamoto's ass. I thought he was about to sit on him with all his weight. Ooh. Look at them crabs. Just regular convenience store workers. gotta taste the crab. You want a job, kid? Oh, this is the vault. Still the apron's on. The entire time we fought, he put the fucking work uniform on. That's even crazier, man. The drip. The KOBENI store drip. Yo, cut that goatee off. Cut that goatee off. True. No killing though. No killing. Okay. What's in the vault though? Every time. Every time it's just like, no, that didn't actually happen. Mind. True.
それよりハッピーに生きるパパの教えよ
なあ、まだかよピンク頭。
うるさいねチャオタンね
Lu Xiaotan.
鍵が古くてうまく開かないよ
Is there pork buns inside? Pork
なんで
buns.
お前ら先に行くか
What's inside? There are treasures. Teddy bears?
本、CD、ぬいぐるみ？目録じゃん。なになに？ルーケレ訪問する。
Bling.
つまり投手によって入れるもんが違うんだな。
The teddy bear is probably for the daughter?
投手によって入れるもんが違うんだな。
私のパパは何だろう
なんて書いてあんだ？
ショータンがパパらしいね
なあ、なんて書いてあんだよ。
Read her mind, bro. Why are you asking? She just read it in her mind. You can mind read.
なあ、なんて書いてあんだよ。
一番うまい酒って書いてあるよ
Okay. Look at Sakamoto bling.
しねえぞ。
The squished pork buns.
これなんで潰れてる子
You did it. You fell on him.
なんで潰れてる子
おめえのせいだよ。
味は変わらない。
I guess the kids ain't getting any.
もう日本の肉まんも悪くないね
Are these Japanese pork buns? It's in Chinatown. I assume that like Chinese people made it in Chinatown. Anyway, is there post-credit scene? Wait for it. Whoa. There's a little bit more. There's a little bit more.
昨日新北中華街で見ました。
Pork buns.
目撃者に
おはようございます。
うるさい。頭いい。
いらっしゃい。
Lou.
店長
Yeah, she's working here.
本格肉まん作るよ。
She's part of the family
お前山ほ
now.
ど在庫持ってんだろ
カホ。
だと
発想
That's respectable. She won't sell it off.
静かにして。
感激したっす。坂本さんが殺しをやめた理由。
なんでし
戦った
You were
時
thinking about it?
坂本さんの思考が流れてきて。
坂本家の一員なら守れ。
No killing.
はい。人を殺してはいけない。
Only one rule, right?
殺す。
Wait, wait,
矛
wait.
盾してるじゃないですか。
I'll kill you if you kill someone. Okay. A little bit more. Oh.
殺練からだ。懸賞金は10億円。
Okay. We got some new people coming in at the very end. I don't know what's happening. The JAA. Some sort of hit. Looking like we got some new enemies to fight next episode. All right. That's episode 2. We got Lu Xiaotong, daughter of a mafia family. And it was pretty wholesome at the end of the day. She just wanted to, you know, see what's in the vault. And at the end of the day, Sakamoto and, you know, and our little blonde guy. I don't even know his fucking name still. Holy shit. I can't believe I still don't know, you know, the blonde guy's name. But hey, everything worked out. We learned about the Sakamoto family rule. What is it? Don't kill someone because, you know, the wife is crazy. She jumped out to fucking show a lesson that like, hey, if you kill someone, you feel bad, right? If I died, you feel bad, right? That's how other people feel too if, you know, they die too. So that's pretty much it. Lu is pretty funny, I guess. I want to get to know more about her. She can fight really well, but our family is increasing and we got new enemies coming. So that's pretty much it. You're still here though. If you enjoyed this reaction, please like the video. Check out the other playlist for even more content. And until next time, take care.